Hello again, this is Ray from Ray's Thunder Garage, and here we are Thursday morning at the Houston Mecum Classic Auto Auction, and we are standing on hallowed ground here. This is where the best of the best get to showplace their cars on the carpet. For example, we've got this incredible LS6 70 Chevelle with a thumping 454, 450 horsepower engine. It's beautiful. It's white, red interior. Here's an example of an excellent Corvette, 1967, big block car. And of course the car that Richard Petty made famous, the Superbird. These are all extremely high dollar cars. You don't get on the carpet unless your car is of a certain standard. There's a beautiful Corvette here, 1963. And look what we got here. Yeah, this is mine, 1957 Ford Thunderbird in gunmetal gray. And it's gonna get its turn Saturday. You know, all it takes is two people in the room to really get a bidding war going. So, could be boom, could be bust. Either way, I'm going to be here. See you later.